So, hello everyone, Sai is back with another video. Today's video is going to be me and Max Cynic. Max doesn't talk too much, guys. We're from Ready Mercy versus two guys. They were really good and fast guys. So, we move on with the container collection part. I got only 2 containers here. It's really bad for me, and my father took the other. I built a bunker on top of the hill to get more view, and they were annoying with their riflemen. Okay. My partner scout out red player, he is already on HQ level 3, and the yellow player is also on HQ level 3. My partner already finished HQ level 3 and he was going HQ level 4 really fast. Max plays this game very professionally. I like playing with him. He's a good partner. And they scouted us out on a notification. Okay, let's go. And in this battle I was going to produce full land army composition: Zeus, Shield, Torrents and Typhoons. Typhoons if necessary. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay, they scouted out my partner. My partner was gonna play Avia. That's for the mixture of Vertex, Thos and some Zeus. Okay. I was going full land army composition because in this map, whoever is on the low ground should produce more vehicles. Can produce Avia, but should produce more vehicles. And the one who is playing on the high ground should produce more aviation. Okay, I told my partner to put a cyclone above that hill. You will see what's the use of that as the video goes on. Okay, in 8-minute mark, the enemy is here with a lot of Jaguars and Chameleon. I tried to intercept from the middle, and another guy is also here. The red player is JCP army, and I was in a bad formation, so I retreated, and my partner's bombing run failed. Okay, the yellow player managed to break into my base. Oh man, if I lose those factories, that will be really bad for me. So my partner had an excellent bombing run there, almost damaged all the Jaguars. Okay, now it's a matter of time when my Zeus are really slow. If the resistance sneak into a base, it's really hard to defend. Okay, I have another engagement there, and is in a better formation, I think. And I was trying to get my shield into that fog. Okay, and with that, Chameleon is dead with a good bombing run from my partner. I am using Torrents here to get more range, and another excellent bombing run from my partner. That was really good. Okay, my partner was playing like a god with aviation. It's really good. Okay, let's go. And they were producing like lot of land army guys, they were spamming Jaguars and Zeus, and I was really bad position. I was in a really bad position here because they were attacking me 2v1. Okay, I'm slowly building up my vehicle count. I'm using a vehicle production boost. Okay, and they completely ignore my higher ground vision, and I built 2 walls in order to see what's going on there. I'm using my Torrents to force fire, and at this moment I realized that I have to take the high ground, because if I'm on the low ground, that will be really bad for me. So I slowly move in with my units on the high ground. Okay, now I'm force firing here. Come on guys, destroy that foe. My partner is helping me with this Thos. Excellent bombing run, almost destroy all the units. And here it goes. And I am trying to destroy those Zeus, those Chameleons there with my Zeus. Okay, the yellow player is again here. My partner, and I have a less number of Zeus here, and I was trying to force fire there. He did the mistake. He should attack me instead of my partner. He's just trying that he could sneak in again, but my partner had an excellent bombing run there. Okay, and now I'm going to kill all the units there. Come on, kill them guys. And here goes, and I retreated with my Zeus. Here goes that Cyclone, MVP Cyclone. I told Max to put it there because we can see the units moving, and my part and the yellow player was trying to build aviation here. And my partner won't allow to do that. Okay. Another set of chameleon is here. My partner is being really annoying with this vertex and those. Another set of chameleon is there, and I am trying to force fire here. Come on, man. Now I have more torrents, guys, and those chameleon and jaguars will die. Come on, man. If you have the will, come on, take me. Okay, let's go. I'm not going into the fog, guys, because I'll be blind. I don't know what's in there or how many units or they are sieged up or not. My partner is going with another bombing run and an excellent bombing run. That factory is maxed out. It took about 4 throws to destroy that. Okay. And I'm trying to force fire here with my torrents and be annoying. And here it comes. He is going to engage me, but I have a lot of torrents here, bro. You are not going to come in. And so he's not going to come in. Zeus, torrents and shield. It's a deadly combination. You have to just don't make the Zeus move and force her with the torrents. It will be really annoying. If they have bombers, that will be a problem. You have to produce more fighters, that is vertex. Okay, here it goes. And me and my partner build walls on either corners because resistance players like to sneak in with their chameleon on gold scouting boost, and it will be really bad if I lose 1 or 2 factories like that, and they will siege up in the corners of our base and be really annoying. Another excellent bombing run from my partner. That cyclone is helping us a lot with the bombing runs. Okay, Max bombed really well. Max doesn't talk too much, guys. I don't know why. Then another group of chameleon is here. I will die, chameleon. JCP will die. We'll bomb you. Okay, and my partner don't have a shield here, but his force wearing is pretty good. Okay, another excellent bombing run. Okay, let's go. At this moment, I think I'll go. What I do. If they are slowly releasing the attack, I'll go space system. I like to space. So really satisfying to see the enemy base get blown up. It's like that, just like that. Okay. Okay, the yellow player is having a hard time with his factories, and my partner scouted them. Nothing crazy there, just some factories and stuffs like that. Okay. And here another group of chameleon is here. And come on guys, come on, kill them. Yes, run. And because I was building that space system, I had less number of Zeus there. But okay, let's go. And they didn't have Avia here, and they told us they could rush us with chameleon. No, that won't happen, guys. You should produce aviation. In higher ranks, you need aviation. You need bombers. If they had bombers, I was RIP. I can't do anything. I was going full land army composition, and I don't have my aviation maxed out for rank 21. Just vertex. That's really hard for me. I need bombers. Okay, here they comes another bombing run. My partner goes with and bombs. Okay, there it goes. Chameleon Imba. And the one guy had a legendary league medal, guys. Not now. He was rank 21, and that guy is really strong. If he has a legendary league medal, when he is in rank 21, he's very strong. And the other guy tried to sneak in, but I'll spam walls here. That's what we do. We spam walls because we need those things, guys. I'm not blaming resistance or confederation players spamming walls. Without walls, how can we stop this without walls? There is no way. Their units are so fast. We should produce walls to stop them. There is nothing wrong with that. Okay, another bombing run goes and they are dead. Okay, I am trying to be annoying here, and my partner is bombing again and again and destroying the aviation factories. Here it goes. Okay, and he has a set of Zeus here. I think he'll attack the yellow player. And here goes another set of chameleon. Come on, man, come on. And he's retreating. He know I have a lot of Zeus there. I have like a lot of Zeus. Okay, here goes another bombing run, but he missed that bombing run. It's okay, Max. Everybody can miss one bombing run. But he bombed really well, guys. Really. Look at the bombing run. Oh my god, almost destroyed all the units. Chameleon is dead. Without chameleon, resistance is too bad. But they should play with Albatross. Okay, come on, man, come on, Forza. Yeah, run. And here it goes. I was a little bit missed my ground with the shield there, but I was trying to get the shield into the fog and just double tap, double tapping. Okay, here it goes. And yeah, they had a lot of grenades there, but grenades won't work after rank 21 because Zeus and Shield are so strong after rank 21. Okay, my partner is slowly pushing with his units there. What I'm going to do is that I'm gonna space strike the yellow player and attack the red player with my ground army. Okay, here it goes, the space strike. Okay, I'm slowly going in. Yeah, I'm going to the high ground because I need it's more. Oh, there it goes. That yellow player is almost dead. And here it goes. Red player is here. And that be the beginning of the end, guys. And that's gonna be rest in peace for the red and the yellow player. They played really well because they were keeping the pressure. They were really keeping the pressures. That was all. That's what all resistance is about. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'll be back with another interesting videos. And bye, guys. Thank you.